Hi, this is a short video just covering the reinstallation of the piston rings and pistons back into my Mini 850 engine. I put the first 2, 3 and 4 in. I'll just go through them. So they've got B stamped on each of them, and they're either A or B when they've been made. It's a front M1808. That's the same for all of them, except the first one ends in D32, then D33, then D35, and I've made sure that each piston as it came out has gone into the same cylinder it came out from. This is the last one, just about to go in. This is the tool I'm using. First one slotted in quite well, just with one tap. Second couple, I'm not sure whether the tool's to blame, but required a couple of goes to get it lined up. Really had to clamp that tight, and even then it wasn't, you can still see daylight through it, so I'm not sure it's just too cheap or something. And then when I put the piston rings on, they're the ones I used for the Mini. It's not been overboard at all, so these are just the standard ones I could find for it. I used this tool here just to expand them. What I did is with the old rings, I took them and expanded them as much as I could before they snapped, and you can see on the back there what I've done is that is the point they snap, and I've done it on the back because otherwise you wouldn't see it coming on the front. And it just, what it does, it allows me to know just about the point they go, and so when I was installing them I was making sure I was just staying short of that and popping them over the top. So it's just a handy notch I've popped in there with a file. So I'll put the last one in now, and hopefully I'll move on to the crankshaft next. Thanks. Bye.